Get ready to experience gaming like never before. The PlayStation 5 Slim is here, packing incredible power into a sleeker design. If you're looking to jump into the next generation or upgrade your PS4, this is what you need to know. Experience lightning-fast loading thanks to the ultra-high-speed custom SSD. Games boot instantly, and fast travel is seamless. This console is built to rewrite the rules of what gaming can be. Marvel at stunning visuals with incredible graphics and ray tracing support. Enjoy smooth gameplay with high frame rates, bringing your favorite worlds to life with breathtaking detail. The DualSense wireless controller is a game changer. Feel the action with haptic feedback and adaptive triggers that simulate everything from weapon tension to environmental textures. Dive deeper into your games with immersive 3D audio technology. Hear sounds from every direction, adding a new layer of realism whether you're using headphones or TV speakers. The PS5 Slim console comes packed with essentials. You get the console itself, a DualSense controller, and a spacious 1TB SSD for your games. It also includes horizontal stand feet, necessary cables, HDMI, AC power, USB, printed materials, and the fun pre-installed game, Astro's Playroom. Note that the vertical stand is sold separately. Access a growing library of amazing PS5 titles that showcase the console's capabilities. Plus, enjoy backward compatibility with a vast catalog of supported PS4 games, so your existing collection isn't left behind. With a 4.7 star rating from over 6,800 reviews, gamers love the experience. It's available now for $499. Ready to step into the future of gaming? The PlayStation 5 Slim delivers speed, immersion, and incredible games in a compact package. Don't miss out on the next level of gaming. Check out the PlayStation 5 Slim today and unleash possibilities you never anticipated. Find it available on Amazon and upgrade your setup now.